In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App quickly and easily. First, open the FanDuel app or visit the FanDuel website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the Withdraw section, usually found in the Account or Wallet menu. From the list of available withdrawal options, select Bank Transfer or Direct Deposit, as Cash App does not directly appear as a withdrawal option. Now, open your Cash App and go to the Banking tab, the dollar icon. Click on Routing and Account Number and copy these details. Return to FanDuel, and when prompted to enter your bank details, paste the Cash App routing and account number to set it as your withdrawal method. After confirming the details, enter the amount you want to withdraw and submit your request. FanDuel may take 24 to 48 hours to process the withdrawal, and once approved, the funds will appear in your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from FanDuel to Cash App using a linked bank transfer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.